Stop the host when installing the filter plate. After stop the host, close here. Install the filter plate. These 4 screws require to be tightened evenly. Two above, below 2. Then turn on the host again. Let the material extruded. If the thickness of the material is uneven, it is controlled by these screws. Like this. It's the material above a little faster. It's thick bottom. Tighten which side is thick. You see, now it's adjusted. Whichever way it bends is which way it is thick. In addition, bend 2, for example, tend to be above. Now bend up, then adjust the top. It's okay now. Go through.